Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a collaboration with FYTOO. So I'm so excited to get these glasses, y'all. It's been 3 years since I had my eyes examined and they reached out just right in time. So stay tuned and we'll open this up to see what I got. So you guys, FYTOO is an online optical store that mainly has prescription and fashion glasses. So they have all different types, all different shapes at an affordable price. So let's go ahead and open it up to see what I got. So inside I have, comes with the cleansing cloth and the little tool to adjust the glasses. It has instructions and then a $10 off card. And they come wrapped separately and in this little cute bag. Okay, the first pair are these red pair. And these are called the Northens. See, I needed these glasses. I got the little name right here and couldn't even see it without the glasses. Aren't these cute? Look at them. Okay, y'all. So it's been 3 years. I haven't been wearing my other glasses like I should. I'm ready to try them on. Okay. Now these are a lot. I wanted red, but now since I have them on, I'm like, wow, So, but I can see better. Oh my gosh. I do have a little bifocal in here, I can tell. Okay. And these are progressive lenses, y'all. I like them. Very fashionable. Here you go. Cute. Y'all, I want y'all to comment down below which ones y'all think are the cutest. Okay, so the next ones are the black. And these are similar style. I didn't realize that. These are almost just exactly the same. But the black ones are the filmings. So the black ones are more, let's see, let me see the difference. It's not that much of a difference. I think they're a little bit, maybe a little bit thinner, but these are the black ones. Let me see how the black ones look on me. Okay, I think I like the black ones better. Tell me what y'all think, y'all. Do y'all think I should have got smaller frames for my face? Let me know. Okay, so these are the black ones. I wanted something different, y'all. Usually my glasses are real thin and easy to break, but these are heavy duty. Can't break these easy. So that's what I like about those. And I like color, y'all. I like bold colors, and I wanted to get black because I felt like, it's something that can be worn with everything. Okay, so this is another pair. And these are the ones that I don't have a prescription in, but I do have the blue light on these. And these are called the Monas. These are cute. Let's see. Okay, I like these. What do y'all think? So on the side, they look like that. And these are green, but I don't know why. I don't know if it's too dark or whatever, but they look black when I put them on. But they're actually green, y'all. And on the side, they have the brown. These are cute. Try them on again. Okay. I'm loving them. Okay, y'all. For the last pair, I got a thinner pair, y'all. So these have my favorite color in it, which is purple. And this is how these look. These are called the Motleys. And they do have the thinner frames and everything. Those are it. So let's try these on. Okay, I like these. Y'all, I can see. Everything is like coming towards me. So these are yeah, these are I'm loving this. So now when I'm looking at my phone, looking at watching YouTube on my phone or looking at my computer screen or looking at the computer at work, I can see better. I needed these glasses. Thank you, FYTOO. Oh yeah. Okay, so these are my favorite, y'all. Y'all, I want y'all to still let me know, but these are my favorite. These are cute. These are 10 out of 10. I love these. But I'm going to wear all of them, y'all. I sure am. I actually like all of them. Now, let's see. These are 10 out of 10. Let me try these on again. Uh, let's see. How do I feel about these? 8 out of 10. These are about an 8 out of 10. Cute color, though. Try the black ones. For some reason, I like these black ones. 10 out of 10 for the black ones, y'all. I know they different from the other ones, but I like the black ones. Try the red ones again. Okay. The red ones are kind of, they're a bit much for me, but I think I will wear these with red, or I could wear it with this color too, or with black or something like that. For the color, 7 out of 10, but for the style, 10 out of 10. I like the style. I like the style of them. So, but these are what I chose. So I'm the one that chose the red. But y'all, I'm so excited to get these glasses. I can see now. Also, what is this? Oh, it's just a little. Oh, it's my prescription, y'all. So y'all should try FLYTOO out. They have clear glasses, round glasses, rimless glasses, sunglasses, blue light glasses, prescription glasses, photochromic glasses, all at a low cost, y'all. I kid you not. I was so excited to get these glasses, and they, just like I said, they actually sent me an invoice, and it's on my phone. I can't show you because I'm actually recording on my phone, but they sent the invoice and the price. I was like, oh my gosh, this is a very good price. So try them, check them out. Use the code Angela15 for 15% off your entire order. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys go check them out. Again, I will leave everything in the description. Thank you and have a good one. Better glasses, clearer world. Y'all, I'm experiencing that right now. I'm honestly so excited to receive these glasses. So I wanted to show y'all the invoice. Of course, I didn't have to pay, but this is the invoice that they did send. And if you can see it, it shows each pair and the cost for each pair. I'm sorry it's all blacked out, y'all, but I had to screenshot it and then print it like that. So yeah. And actually with insurance at the optometrist office, I think the glasses that I chose were gonna be $256, but I was like, no, I'm gonna go ahead and send my prescription to them and get these glasses. And I'm so excited. I love my glasses. Even the red pair, y'all. So this is the next day. So even the red pair, I'm loving those too. I already, I like them, but the red is fine. I like the red ones. So I wanted to let y'all see the price. $273.85 for all 4 pair. And these aren't just plain glasses. I have a bifocal. So y'all should check them out.